How's everybody doing, my people? I'm gonna play Dragon Train Sun Shots. All right, let's get some shots. I put 100 in, not my normal $20, but I'm still gonna do penny denom, and I'm gonna do you know what? I'm gonna try dollar bets for a little bit, see what happens. Here we go. Let me change this over here to play $1. Okay. Here we go, guys. Come on. 4 more. Almost. All right, we'll take the crow. Not bad. $4.45, we'll take it. Oh, I needed 3 more, guys, with the train. That would have been amazing. All right. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, during the confusion that only I had, nobody else, I forgot to put my card in. It's in now. I got to get my points. I think those, sorry, guys, that was me. I think 3 of this guy is the bonus. 4 more, come on. Oh, I needed 1 more. 3. That's 2, not 3. All right, guys, I'm switching 50 cents. Back to my style of play. Come on. Ooh, that was close. Come on, baby. 3 more. 3 more. Got it, guys. All right, we lowered our bet, but that's okay. It's $6 to start. Come on, give us a train. We need to get something good. Let's go. A minor, guys. That's $50. That was good, guys. We got a minor. All right, come on, pop it in there now. Let's go. All right, last spin, guys. Here we go. Pop it like it's hot. No, but we'll take that minor, won't we? Smack. All right, that's enough. $58, guys. Woo. That's good on a 50-cent bet. All right, let's go a little more. I might change that to $1 again. Yeah, let's do it now. Oh, wait a minute, we got a hit. All right, I'm gonna change it to $1 now. See, maybe we can get some on $1. That would be nice. Let's go, come on, 3 of those guys. Ouch. All right, 4 ladies. $1.62. Darn, guy, there's that train. Oh, look at that, a mini and $10. Come on, I dare you. Almost, come on. Let's go, 3 more, one more. Got it, guys, all right. Now we're cooking. All right, I like it. I like it. Let's go. Pop it in. We got the train, guys. Nice. All right, let's keep going. Like they say, let's keep this train rocking and rolling. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness, come on. It was right there, guys. Pop it in, I dare you. Yes. All right, we need one more, guys. Let's see if we can get it. Here we go. Oh, that didn't help. Boom, 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 boom. And one more. All right, here's the train, guys. All right, here we go. I've got to press the start. Land something good in there, something good. There's $10, there's 15, all right. Second spin, guys, here we go. Oh, $20 hit, guys, that's good. That is nice. Come on, pop it in, there's another 10. Another 20, guys, we did it. We still got 3 more spins. 15, 2 more to fill up. Let's get it, let's get it. Uh-oh. I saw it go by, I saw it go by, it's going by. All right, that's good, guys. We cannot complain. This is our dollar bet now. That's $90 on that, plus our other counts. All right, guys, we made $111 on that one. We're good, we're good. We're golden. All right, guys, I'm gonna press it. Here we go. Nice, guys, nice. All right, here we go. Oh, we needed one more of that guy. 2 more. Darn it, I saw him go by. 3 more. Oh, that would have been nice. Come on, baby. Keep it going, keep it going. Keep the party rock and rolling. All right, 5 queens. A little flower on there. Come on, 2 more. Oh my God. All right, guys, I'm gonna go back to 50 cents. Maybe. Couple more. If I don't hit anything, I'll go back to 50 cents. So I don't put all my money back. All right, one more. All right, that's enough for one more. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna go back to 50. See what happens. We hit it once on 50. 3 more, 2 more. Oh my goodness. Come on. Oh no. Come on. 4 more, 3 more. Oh, I got 5 queens again, guys. Got $1, which is good. Remember, I went down to 50-cent bets. Almost, guys. All right, for the arrows. 50 cents. I got my bet back. Come on, baby. Oh, 4 more. Oh, come on. How about a regular bonus? I need a regular one of these, guys. Regular bonus. I need 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it was down there. I saw it go by. All right. 3 more. Oh, almost, guys. Almost. Come on now. 2 more. Almost, almost. 3 more. Three more. Oh, almost, guys. One more. Oh, it just went by. Wow. All right. There it is. Got it this time, guys. Last time this one went by, but we got it this time, guys. I'm 50 cents, but that's fine. Maybe we could hit some big like we did last time. Here we go. 6 free games awarded. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's not good. I didn't get nothing. All right, I got some crows this time. Wilds. Wilds, guys. 3 more spins. Come on, we need to get some more of those, I don't know what they were, the boxes with the shooting little dilly bopper things. I don't know what they were. Those. Oh, they're with crows. That's what they are. Okay. Wild, guys. That's good. 1 more spin. Now we need to get the bonus. Fireball one. Come on, Fireball. Give it to us. No. We got Kings, though. Alright, guys. It wasn't that much, but it's better than nothing. We'll take the $7. See if we can get another hit. Come on. Alright, come on, baby. Alright, guys, I'm going to go back to $1 because if you could hit that on $1, it's going to pay pretty good. At least that's what I think. I don't know. 3 more. Oh. Oh, come on now. There's a crow. All right, crow. 3 more, 4 more. I mean, I'm sorry, 4 more. Darn it. I'm not sorry. What am I sorry for? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. 3 more. My God. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, there's a while with the marrows. 50 cents. Some crows and some aces. $1.25. We got our bet back. Some crows. Got our bet back. Let's go. Let's hit some. Come on. 4 more. 3 more. Almost, guys. Come on. I stopped it. Got 35 cents. Let's go. 3 more. Wow, 4 more. 4 more. Oh, it's getting close, getting close. Come on, baby. Let's do that bonus again. I'll take 3 of those. Oh, pretty girl. Three more. Oh, it would have been nice with 2 minis. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, guys. Oh, damn, choo-choo. All right, some 10s. $1.95. 3 more, 1 more. Oh, son of a gun. Wow, guys. It's getting close. I got a feeling it's going to come up right now. Come on, you're coming up. Come on. Three more. Wow. Come on now. Darn it, look at all those wilds, guys, and I got blocked right here. Oh. 2 more. Oh, I needed 1 more. All right, guys, I'm not gonna go below 160. Two more. Oh. All right, guys, I'm going back to 50 cents. And I went below 160. I'm not going to go below 150. Okay. Oh my gosh, I need 1 more. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Wow, guys. 3 more. 4 more. Four more. Darn it. All right, guys. Doesn't look like it wants to do anything else. I'll do like 4 more spins. Oh my God. Why? Why couldn't you give me the 2 more? Wow. Last spin, guys. Oh, I got enough for 1 more. There we go, 1 more. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks again, my subscribers. And we're at Durango today, so we'll see you on the next video. All right, my people.